What is up, YouTube? We got another upgrade video for you. Today we will be putting on the new Treal black brass 6mm hex extensions. They come with a nice sticker pack, 4 of the hex extensions, and 5 pins just in case you lose one. I didn't want to have too much offset, but with these 62mm tires, they definitely rub pretty bad, especially going up an incline, a lot of binding in the rear. So I'm hoping to offset them a little bit. Well, follow along, let's get to it. All right, first thing you're gonna do is get your 5mm. Start taking off these nuts. Get them. Once you remove the factory hex nut, pull your wheel and tire off. These are the Treal brass bead locks with some Endura 62mm tires. So now you have the factory hex nut right here. You can either grab some pliers and pull it off, or get a little flathead screwdriver and pop it out. Just be careful if you do that. I don't want to have to go back into the garage, so I'm going to grab a flathead. Just gently pry up on those. Pop right off. Off will come the hex. You have your little pin right here. Go pull the pin out. All right, we're gonna cut these open. Let's see if it'll focus. Pretty cool, high quality like everything else they do. Let me get out one of the new pins. Let's put the new pin in. Get the extension. Press her down. Get our wheel. Have it sit. Wait a second. I'm an idiot. Put the factory one back on. My bad. My bad. Alright, put the new one on. Now put your wheel and tire. Figure out where we put our old hex nut. Get her started downtown. I don't know the exact torque spec. I'm gonna torque it somewhere between 6 and 9 pounds. Magic number. If you don't know, there's something wrong with you. Alrighty. You can see a little bit on the left side is the new one. A little bit of an increased track width. Let's get the rest of them in there and we'll see how we like it. Also, as a comparison, I only went with the 6mm. I didn't want to go too wide, so you can tell there's not much of a difference, but I think it'll do exactly what I'm looking to do. Real minor, but for comparisons, on the left has the new Treal 6mm spacers, and on the right is factory. Let's do the other side, we'll be all done. There we have it, folks. Check it out from the front. Sticks out a little bit wider. It's kind of what I was after. Well, there you have it. Another video of me fumbling like a big ogre. And, you know, I enjoy working on this thing. Come home from work, get the family to sleep, set up my little stupid film area, and make little videos. I hope you guys at least find it entertaining to watch me fumble small parts with my huge fingers. Stay tuned. The next thing we're going to install, I got some Endura black brass front and rear diff covers. As always, leave a funny comment. Tell me what I should do next. I'm really thinking of maybe doing something to the suspension. These stock shocks are pretty good, but I'm always down to try something else. Leave a comment below what shocks you guys have went to and have had some luck with, and I'll get some and try some different ones out. As always, thank you. I appreciate you watching, and until next time.